here, the Flamenco Dancing MD, and welcome to Dr. Coco's Flame Zone, where I teach you the arte of flamenco and the science of how our bodies are built to get you strong, flexible, and recovered in body, mind, and spirit. This is a cardio video. I'm going to play about 6 minutes of music and show you some cardio. Here we go. All right, let's start with our feet together, soft in the knees, great posture. We'll place our hands on the bony crest of the pelvis for today. I'll start showing you from behind, lifting, alternating heels. We'll start at a slow tempo to warm up the muscles in the feet, in the calves, in the thighs, and to lubricate all the joints of the lower body. All 10 toes are gripping that floor. I'm going to be turning to show you different angles. You do not have to turn. Just look and follow along. Knees are working straight ahead. All right, here we go. Let's take this piece of footwork and take it just a little bit faster. Kind of a medium tempo now. We are still lifting these heels as high as they will go off of that ground, and we are really gripping the floor with these toes. Remember, the knees are working straight ahead. And now let's go ahead and take this footwork up to whatever is your maximum tempo for today. We'll get a couple different views here. Remember, you do not have to turn around. I'm only turning around to show you some different angles. You can stay in place and roll these heels like thunder. In flamenco, we call heel work taconeo. A single heel drop is a tacon. You can say tacones for plural and taconeo for heel work. So allow your breathing to keep up with the demands that your muscles are placing on your lungs to deliver oxygen to them. Oxygen is one of the fuels that muscles use when they work. The other fuel is carbs. So our muscles store carbs in the muscle tissue themselves. So as the muscles work, they are right now using those carbs. Whatever carbs are in your muscles right now, your muscles are using those carbs. Your liver is also releasing its store of carbs into your bloodstream so that these muscles can use that as well. After your muscles have used up their internal supply of carbs and your liver's release of carbs, that's when the muscles start drawing upon that fat. And we've talked about the one thing you need to do to reveal all of the toning work that we do in the other videos in this channel, our toning videos, so check those out. But to reveal all of that great toning work that we do on these muscles, all of our muscles, we need to get rid of the layer of fat that is hiding all of that great work. And the best way to do that from the exercise point of view is cardio, because that's when the muscles kick into high gear as far as metabolism goes, as far as fuel usage goes. So this is why we do cardio, right? And try to sustain it for as many minutes as we can so that the muscles kick into that state, that metabolic state of using up all the carbs and then tapping into the fat to break down the fat into carbs so that the muscles can use those carbs, right? When we convert from fat to carbs, then the muscles can use that. And then we've used up some fat. Wow, isn't that amazing? The body is so smart. It's absolutely amazing. Meanwhile, as I've been talking, my heels have been rolling. My heart rate has been going up. I don't have my watch on. I apologize. And my breathing has been keeping up with all of this work that my muscles are doing. So keep going, keep going. Keep gripping the toes into that floor to keep yourself nice and solid, nice and stationary, and keep this great posture. We can add some arm work, and then we are recruiting, we are using more muscles. The more muscles we use, the more fuel we use, right? The more carbs we use. And again, once we use up our carb supply that's already there to start out with, we start tapping into breaking down the fat into usable carbs, and the muscles will use that up, and then you've burnt some fat, right? You've metabolized some fat, and you've started to get rid of that layer of fat that is hiding all of the great toning work that you're doing. So to check out the toning videos, we'll do a back view. To check out the toning videos, just go to the rest of my channel and search any of the body parts to tone up that part so that once all of this fat is metabolized away, then you've got some nicely carved muscles to reveal. Very nice, very nice. And if you like this, go ahead and hit subscribe, click that bell so that you'll be notified and you won't miss out on any of the videos, whether they're cardio or toning. All right. I think we are approaching the end of our approximately 6-minute song. So congratulations on 6 minutes of cardio. If you want to boost this to 12, just hit replay.